Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the skies to explore an engineering icon, the Airbus Beluga. With its unique design and massive cargo capacity, this flying giant has revolutionized aviation logistics. So buckle up and let's take off into the incredible story of the Beluga. The Airbus Beluga, launched in 1994, is a specialized cargo aircraft designed to transport oversized components like aircraft wings and fuselage sections. It features a distinctive whale-shaped fuselage, earning its nickname. Before its introduction, Airbus relied on slower methods like road transport and the Super Guppy. Built on the A300-600 airframe, the Beluga features a distinctive whale-shaped fuselage with an enormous cargo bay, making it ideal for oversized parts. Its innovative design allowed Airbus to streamline its manufacturing process, enabling quicker assembly of aircraft components at its main production hubs. As production needs grew, the original Beluga, A300-600 ST, was joined by a larger, more capable version, the Beluga XL, in 2019. Based on the A330-200, the XL increased capacity by 30%, accommodating even bulkier parts like two A350 wings in a single flight. Both versions have been instrumental in maintaining Airbus's global supply chain efficiency, reducing delivery times and enhancing productivity. Beyond Airbus's internal use, the Beluga fleet has been adapted for external cargo services. With its ability to transport oversized items like satellites, helicopters, and even humanitarian supplies, the Beluga has become a vital resource for industries such as space exploration and defense. The original Beluga ST fleet is now being repurposed for broader use outside Airbus, cementing its role as a versatile and indispensable tool in global logistics. In summary, the Airbus Beluga was built to address the aerospace industry's growing logistical needs. Its unique design and specialized capabilities revolutionized how large components are transported, significantly boosting Airbus's manufacturing efficiency. The newer Beluga XL further enhances these capabilities, ensuring that Airbus can meet future production demands while supporting external industries. Today, the Beluga remains a symbol of innovation and practicality, shaping the way we think about heavy cargo transport in aviation. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the incredible story of the Airbus Beluga. From revolutionizing aircraft logistics to transporting some of the world's most oversized cargo, the Beluga proves that innovation knows no bounds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of aviation.